Well, good afternoon. It's Sunday afternoon. I got peppers, squash, cucumbers, tomato back there, more squash, zucchini, not real sure, cucamelons, loofahs. These are all in. Hoping they're going to survive. A couple of them I'm not sure, but we'll see. But this is what I got going right now. I got about 3 more days. I got to get this section done so I can get everything else in. But I'll have to do that early morning and late night. It is too hot. And it's turned back to 100 again. So you guys have a great Sunday night, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.